Mirrorless cameras are now mature products with new models coming out every year, but that does not mean the DSLR is dead. The DSLR is still an amazing tool when it comes to capabilities, and they even have superior battery life compared to mirrorless cameras. Although DSLRs are not actively made anymore except by Pentax, there are still a few models you can get even in 2024, and I've collected the best ones here. So let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR Camera. This camera offers an impressive balance of performance and portability, making it ideal for budding photographers and content creators. Here are the key features that make this camera stand out. Compatible mountings. The camera supports Canon EOS lenses, giving users access to a wide range of lens options to suit various photography needs. Photo sensor technology. Equipped with a CMOS sensor, the Rebel SL3 captures high-quality images with excellent detail, color accuracy, and low light performance. Supported file formats. This camera supports both JPEG and RAW formats, giving photographers the flexibility to choose between easier file management or professional-grade post-processing. Image stabilization. The digital image stabilization system ensures that shots remain steady, minimizing blur in handheld shooting or video recording. Maximum focal length. Paired with a 55mm lens, the Rebel SL3 allows for versatile photography from portrait to landscape shots, making it suitable for various settings. Expanded ISO minimum. The camera features an ISO range starting at 100, allowing for high-quality images even in well-lit conditions. Metering description. The Rebel SL3 offers multiple metering modes such as center weighted average, evaluative, partial, and spot, ensuring accurate exposure for different lighting conditions. Brand. As part of Canon's respected lineup, the Rebel SL3 inherits the brand's reputation for reliability, innovation, and high-quality optics. Compact yet powerful, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 offers flexibility and performance, perfect for those looking to step into the world of DSLR photography. Its easy-to-use interface, combined with advanced features, make it a great tool for capturing stunning images and videos. The next is Number 4. Nikon DX Digital SLR Camera. This camera offers a compelling blend of versatility and performance, catering to both beginners and intermediate photographers. Its range of features ensures that users can capture high-quality images in a variety of settings. Below are its key features. Compatible mountings. The Nikon DX format is specifically designed for Nikon's DX series lenses, providing a broad selection of high-quality lenses that suit various shooting styles, from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits. Aspect ratio. The camera shoots with a 1.271 aspect ratio, ideal for producing high-quality images in a standard, slightly more square format, commonly used for general photography. Photo sensor technology. Equipped with a CMOS sensor, the Nikon DX ensures excellent image quality, vibrant color reproduction, and reliable performance in low-light conditions. Supported file formats. The camera supports both JPEG and RAW file formats, giving photographers the flexibility to choose between compressed files or the uncompressed RAW format for more detailed editing. Image stabilization. With optical image stabilization, the camera minimizes motion blur, ensuring sharper images even in handheld shooting situations or when using a slower shutter speed. Maximum focal length. The camera supports a maximum focal length of 5.6, which, when paired with compatible lenses, allows for detailed shots of distant subjects. Optical zoom. A 3:1x optical zoom provides flexibility for various shooting distances, making it suitable for both close-up and moderate telephoto shots. Maximum aperture. Featuring a maximum aperture of f/3.5, the camera allows for decent control over depth of field and low-light performance. Expanded ISO minimum. With a minimum ISO of 100, the Nikon DX ensures crisp, clear images in well-lit environments. The Nikon DX Digital SLR camera is an excellent tool for photographers seeking versatility, reliability, and quality, making it a top choice for capturing everything from everyday moments to professional shots. The next is Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. This DSLR camera is designed to offer an easy-to-use yet powerful photography experience for newcomers and enthusiasts alike. Packed with a range of advanced features, it enables users to capture stunning images and videos. Here are the key features that set the Rebel T7 apart. 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor. The high-resolution 24.1 MP sensor delivers sharp, detailed photos with vibrant colors, ensuring excellent performance across various lighting conditions. The ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable to H 12800, provides flexibility for shooting in low light. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. These wireless capabilities allow users to easily share images and videos directly from the camera to compatible devices. The built-in Wi-Fi also enables remote control of the camera using a smartphone or tablet, providing added convenience. 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF. The Rebel T7 features a 9-point autofocus system, ensuring accurate focus on subjects in various scenes. The AI Servo AF continuously tracks moving subjects, making it easier to capture sharp action shots. Optical viewfinder with 95% viewing coverage. The optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% field of view coverage, allowing for precise framing and composition. This traditional viewfinder experience helps with real-time subjects tracking. EOS Utility Webcam Beta Software. By using this software, the Rebel T7 can be turned into a high-quality webcam for virtual meetings, live streams, and video conferencing on both Mac and Windows. Compatible lenses. The camera supports Canon F and FS lenses, offering a wide range of options for different shooting needs. However, it is not compatible with FM lenses. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a versatile and affordable option for photographers looking to advance their skills while enjoying modern connectivity features. The next is Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T8i DSLR Camera. This DSLR camera is an excellent choice for photographers seeking advanced features and superb image quality in a user-friendly package. Ideal for enthusiasts looking to step up their photography game, the T8i provides flexibility and power in a compact body. Below are its key features. Compatible mountings. The T8i supports Canon FS lenses, offering a broad selection of lenses suitable for various shooting styles, from landscapes to portraits and telephoto shots. Aspect ratio. With a 16:9 aspect ratio, this camera is ideal for shooting wide-format images and videos, perfect for cinematic captures and modern photography needs. Photosensor technology. The APS-C sensor ensures excellent image quality with rich details and vibrant colors. Its large sensor size also improves low-light performance, making it versatile across various lighting conditions. Supported file formats. Photographers can save their images in RAW and JPEG formats, providing the option for high-quality, uncompressed photos or more manageable file sizes. Image stabilization. The optical image stabilization system reduces blurring caused by camera shake, ensuring sharp and stable images, especially when shooting handheld or with long lenses. Maximum focal length. With support for focal lengths up to 300 mm, the T8i is well suited for shooting distant subjects, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and event photography. Optical zoom. The camera's 16x optical zoom further enhances its versatility, allowing for a wide range of focal lengths to cover various photography needs. Maximum aperture. With a maximum aperture of f/4, the T8i offers decent control over depth of field and good performance in moderately low light settings. Expanded ISO minimum. The T8i features an ISO range starting at 100, providing crisp, clear images in well-lit environments. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i is packed with features that deliver professional-grade performance while maintaining ease of use, making it perfect for both hobbyists and advanced photography. The next is Number 1. Nikon D3500W DSLR Camera. This DSLR camera is a perfect choice for beginners and casual photographers who want the power of a DSLR without the complexity. Its user-friendly design and compact body make it an excellent companion for travel, events, and everyday photography. Here are the key features that make the D3500W stand out. Easy-to-use DSLR. The Nikon D3500W combines the advanced features of a DSLR with the simplicity of a point-and-shoot camera. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for users of all skill levels to capture stunning photos. Compact, comfortable design. This camera is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travelers and those attending special events. Its ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable hold, even during extended shooting sessions. Large image sensor. The D3500W features an image sensor that's 15x larger than those found in typical smartphones. This results in sharper, clearer, and more detailed images, even in low light conditions. The larger sensor also allows for a more professional look with better background blur. Nikon SnapBridge app compatibility. With the Nikon SnapBridge app, users can easily share their photos with a compatible smartphone or tablet. This makes it quick and effortless to transfer photos and post them on social media directly from the camera. 1080p Full HD videos. The D3500W can capture 1080p Full HD videos with binaural sound at the touch of a button. This makes it easy to switch between taking photos and recording high-quality videos without changing settings. Bluetooth 4.1. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless pairing with devices for fast, wireless photo sharing. The Nikon D3500W is an ideal DSLR for those seeking simplicity without compromising on quality, making it the perfect camera for capturing life's moments with ease. So this is the best option for you to buy.